past few weeks, we've wired up the drivetrain with all the CAN buses from the Mark 5s, and we've also attached refire solution connection boards to the X44 motors on our Mark 5s. And what we plan to have done next week, or within the next few weeks, is get the intake motors wired up and attached to the PDH and the rest of the robot.
Right, so the Fab Sub team, we have pretty much completed most of the fab parts of the robot. The entire robot is fabricated and assembled, everything except for bumpers, which we're working on right now actually. And in the upcoming weeks, we are going to, or before competition, we're going to be working on training, making some spares, specifically a spare intake. Maybe going back to some prototyping bits to see what else we can improve for competition. But really, no, we've completed almost all of the robots. So the entire shooter, climber, intake, new drivetrain, all that's been completed. We built a couple field elements. We made some backing plates for the bumpers right now. And yeah, that's about it.
So over the past couple of weeks, we finished our actual final CAD. That only took us around a week, maybe a week and a half, and so now we're completely done with that. We're completely frozen the CAD. But right now we're working on intake compression further so that we can update the master sketch and then iterate on the full CAD design. And then we're also looking at Spindexter to make sure that we're not missing anything, and then other subsystems we're trying to optimize right now.
Over the last couple weeks, programming has been setting up the basic subsystems, including climber, drivetrain, shooter, vision, and a bunch of other things, preparing for the robot. In the future, our team is planning to work on autos and start optimizing the robot. So once we finally have it, we can drive around as fast as possible, score as many points, and be the best robot we can.